Hi everyone, my name is Jan Prznic and I would like to introduce my automated storage machine for SMD parts to you. Automated storage machine should make life of an electronics developer easier by helping him store his or her SMD part. So how does an SMD part look like? You see that small part on that left strip? These are SMD parts. They are used in manufacturing all kinds of electronics. They are very small, so they are very hard to store manually. So we came up with an idea to automate it. We designed an automated storage machine. So this is how it looks like. You see a cutting head in the front, all the parts are stored in the back. There are 70 sockets, one part type in each socket. On the left side, you see all of the electronics, including Raspberry Pi. Let's move on to the control application I've developed for the storage machine. First, I needed to define application's functions. I defined three use cases: user, manager, and the administrator. User can only withdraw parts and look at a summary of parts amounts. Manager can also refill parts and can view history and statistics. He can also manage sockets and known parts database. Finally, the administrator is responsible for all user management. There were several possible application architectures. Desktop client would be fast and stable, but it would be very hard to implement and there would be virtually no portability. eShop system module would be easy to implement, but the architecture of eShop systems is completely different. I chose web interface plus daemon. This solution is very portable, user-friendly, although it has slightly larger performance requirements. I divided the application into three parts: web interface, database, and daemon. Web interface is the only thing the user sees when he uses the storage machine. It provides user with nice and intuitive user interface, and it stores his requests in the database. The database is responsible in storing all data and makes communication between the web interface and the daemon possible. Daemon is the center of the application. It is the only part which communicates with the storage machine, and it is also responsible for automatic application functions, such as notifications. In the future, we want to focus on expanding capacity of the storage machine by adding levels, adding more functionality to the application, and also developing a modification of the storage machine which could be used in shops with electronics. This presentation is at the end. Thank you all for